Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ozzy and I'm back again with another unboxing video. And today we got the Hori D-pad controller. Now, as you can see right there, the reflection of the light, this is a D-pad controller for the Switch. And let's go ahead and take a look at the box here. D-pad controller on the left side. Ultra responsive D-pad for 2D games. So this is going to be really good for these 2D side-scrolling games like Celeste that I have, and which other games do I have? Let's take a look at my list here. So Celeste, Ape Out would be pretty cool with it. Some of the Nintendo Online games, Dead Cells, especially Dead Cells. So this would be pretty good for that. The downside of this is that it only works on dock mode. So I don't believe for handheld mode only. You guys see it? There you go. For handheld mode only. So you can't really put this on the controller or play with it. It has to be always on the Switch and that way. So over here you see the look of it. Oh, and also if you haven't noticed by now, this is the Zelda theme one. As I am a Zelda fan. There you go. So here it's telling you how you can use it, and here it's telling you how you can't use it. So this is a Hori product. They're usually pretty good with their products. At this point, I trust them fully with anything that they release. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at the Joy-Con itself. There we go. Let's go ahead and take a look and see. Man, it's kind of stuck in there. What's going on here? Oh, maybe I opened it wrong. Let's try this one right here. Make sure I don't cut my fingers off. I'm completely destroying the box here. Yep, so I opened it the wrong way. Let me go ahead and toss this over here. Some instruction booklets. In the words of Flossie Carter, pluck them, file them to the side. And let's go ahead and open this up. I wonder why it's packaged like this, but okay. Again, let's throw that to the side. It's on there. And here we have it. Now, first thing that I noticed, it's very, very light. So I think I read up that this doesn't have a battery. That's why it could only be used when it's attached to the Switch, directly. So with that, we'll have to see if there's any rumble or and there's no battery, but this is significantly lighter than these. So here's the little design of it. Here you got the crest and more little baby crests over here. You have some emblems around. The D-pad feels pretty good. The buttons feel pretty good. The minus, I don't know if you can see it in the light, the minus and the capture button feel a little mushy, but these aren't used that much. These are pretty clicky. It's pretty good. So let's go ahead and try it out. Let's go ahead and remove this right here, and let's put it on. Did it register it? No, it didn't register it, but it's working. Alright, so here's the D-pad, which is awesome for handheld gaming. And let's go ahead and select Celeste and see how that plays out. So it's just going to be a couple minutes of gameplay here with the D-pad, so you guys can see how well and responsive it is. I won't make this video too long, as it's just a Joy-Con attachment, but just to show you guys, I want to see how it plays out. So yes, and ever since the Switch came out, I wanted this D-pad, and I've been looking at ones that you kind of put on top of it, but from the videos that I've been seeing, they kind of fall off and they don't work as well. So I looked at the reviews for these, and they were on Amazon Prime Day. I think they were like $14 or something like that. So I went ahead and bought them. On release, I think these were 25. So let's go ahead and take a look at, and I haven't played this game in a long time actually, so let's jump in. Continue. Alright. So now I just gotta remember how to play this game. Alright, so it's pretty responsive actually. Oh man, how do you play this? There you go. Alright guys, so I had to cut the other footage a little short because I played horribly. I couldn't remember the buttons to place Celeste, and I didn't want you guys to see such bad gameplay and think it was the controller. That was completely on me. I did not remember how to play that game, and I left off on a part that I actually tried it like 20 times prior to just stopping, and I haven't played in a couple weeks. So I also wanted to show you guys here that the controller, it can only be used attached to the Switch, which I mentioned before. But even if you try to register it, so if we go here, we try to register it, it can't be registered. So it just works off the power on here. It cannot be registered. I can probably take this one off and register it like so, and it gets registered. So let's go ahead and see if we can put it back. It gets unregistered if you take this one out, and the back button is a little bit harder to, and these are not even, they're not even buttons. They're let me see if I can get this to, they're not even buttons. Oh, they're not even buttons. They're like little stickers. So they're not real buttons on here. So, but look how this looks, guys. Like, this is just amazing, and it just looks really nice on the Switch. You don't even get the Switch sound when you connect it. It is basically just but it works. If you can see, it works just fine. And let's go ahead and jump into some Celeste, and let's see if we can get some decent gameplay. And I'm gonna be using a D-pad here so you guys can see. And this is another game I haven't played in a while, so maybe I need to learn how to play this game. So let me get this one. Alright. So far so good, guys. Oh, I can't use it. My health is full. Ah, got me there. I really enjoy this game. It's just a little difficult, and I need to put in a little bit more practice on it. I haven't been able to beat or get past like the second, third boss, I believe it was. I need to revisit this game though. Since Marvel Ultimate Alliance came out, and other games, it's just, you know, it's kind of hard to keep playing one game for so long. So what are we doing here? Cool beans, man. Alright, so I'll be able to get this one. Alright. Got him. So far it controls actually really well, and no drift on it whatsoever that I'm noticing. Controls really well. Should I get? Yeah, sure, I'll get it. Always level this up. Yep. Oh man, I forgot. You can't. You gotta get out of the way for this one. Let me go ahead and take that. These are a little tougher. There we go. Forgot how to. Now you gotta do like an arrow. Let's get this guy too, and let's go ahead and level up the first one. So hold the heel. Let's go ahead and hold it to heel. There you go. And the left stick doesn't do anything, but as you can hear, let me go ahead and lower this down a little bit. Slightly a little clickier, which is not a bad thing. Slightly, but like I said, it's not a bad thing. And here we are at the next level. So there it is, the Hori D-pad controller. This one right now is on Amazon. It should be on 20. I got it on sale for 15. So I definitely recommend it if you play a lot of handheld mode, and it doesn't require charging. It will drain the battery of your Switch, as it does not have a battery, so it needs to charge it on there. So with that being said, guys, if you like this video, please help me out with a like and a subscribe, as it will help me keep making videos like these. I'm trying to get more tech stuff, gaming stuff, anything that's, you know, tech or stuff related for that matter, into this channel. I would just want to review anything that I get that I think is cool and that needs a video. This definitely needed a video, as there might be some people that are looking for this. And this comes in a Super Mario all red and a, I think, Pikachu yellow one. So depending on what do you want, you know, I'm a huge Zelda fan, so I really wanted this one. But the red one would have looked pretty cool with the red right Joy-Con. So yeah, there it is. If you have a question on this D-pad controller, go ahead and fire it off on the comments. As I mentioned before, guys, help me out with a like and a sub if you're not already subscribed, as it will help me keep making videos for you guys. I'll go ahead and link my Instagram right there. If you guys want to follow me, I'm not particularly too interesting, but if you just want to just follow me, and you know, I'll give you a follow back as well. And as always, guys, thank you for watching and have a good day. Peace.